not look for no weapon in my car. I just panic, me get panic and frightened as a young youth I drive and me I know so me not have no license upon me. You understand me? I me get panic in the vehicle and that happened to me. So me I tell any one of the youth them out there now, we said this, we said that. Please me I ask you now. You see, once you don't know so you're not involved in no fuckery, no rubber tail crime, and no kangaroo crime. When the police, when you see a group of, if you not approach a group of police unexpectedly, see them there at a location, and you see them, we don't have a seat belt or see somebody say to them. We don't have a seat belt or no seat belt. When the only thing you can do is wind down on the car window, then wind down the fore window immediately. You hear me? Because if you don't do it, innocent and we will get pushed out. Wind down the window. If you don't have no seatbelt, no worry about that. At the end of the day, you can live to go pay your seatbelt ticket. Or you can say to the officer, them say, Jano, we just never have it on. Some officer good. But majority of them are some kangaroo, rubber tail kangaroo, them be. You hear me? Especially if the car is tinted. And I've been saying this since last year. And some people are saying me a joker, you idiot DJ Bent. And the younger youth them may talk to, brother. Because too much of our young youth them a drop out now. And we know that some of our young youth them get involved in the wrong things, but you can still change. You still have life and you can still change. Not too late for you to change. And sometimes we need to give people chance to change. Because sometimes people choose a lifestyle and what they want. You hear me? Sometimes people choose a lifestyle officer and what they want. But you have to remember, say everybody young and they make young and irrational decision will lead to mistakes sometimes. Allow some of these people to have a chance to change their life. We can't just push out everybody. We do something wrong immediately. Big up yourself, cause. You hear me? My advice to through 18-year-old in prison. And I wise up. You understand me? Give the youth them at when me telling about no people, a life experience me talk about no. We're not going to know details now. But allow the youth them to get a chance, man. Allow the youth them to change. And not every youth will commit a crime at 17, 18, 19, 20. Them know what them do at that point. But them brains still are developed, them bodies still are developed, them mindsets still are developed. Some of the youth them got great things to contribute to the country apart from crime. We need to look beyond that now. We can't just grow and analyze everybody like that 24/7. You hear me? All the people over the pan here, me a beg you now, screen record this. I'm wanting to send you out to the family member if them young. But they are still, you understand me? I want to send out this to the family member if them young. I'll give them one word of an advice. You see, if you not drive a car, youth, man or woman, and the youth them me talk to now, and the young, and the buck up on a police roadblock, you see if you not burn weed, you see if you not drink, you see if you don't have no seat belt, you don't have no license, no insurance, you see if you want to protect your life, wind down your fore window and do no, you don't need to do no shaky move, no search for nothing like your, no dip down, no shove this up, you don't need to shuffle up, wind down your window, roll up to the police, and as soon as you roll up to the police and they stop you, you turn off your key and you put your hand up. So them know say a piece you depend. You hear me? Because this is what we have to do now. Take out, you don't need to ask them to turn off your engine. Turn off your engine, big man. Whether you're wrong or right. Because you know say you're not wrong. Turn off your engine. Give them less work to do. So you approach them in a respectful way. So at the end of the day, me no see no way on the face of the earth. These little rubber tail can't want to push you out. But if you got your window wind up, your four window wind up, which you have a right at your car, you can do it. But to go on Jamaica now, anything at all is possible. You understand me? And these police are out to push out who them deem is a threat to society or who them mark for death. Because some of the youth them get marked for death, not marked to be arrested. So if you no buck up in a roadblock, when the only movement you're not supposed to do a wind down a window. Four window down. Whether you have a seatbelt yes or no, you don't need to shuffle up put on that. You hear me? You don't need to shuffle up put on no seatbelt or a search in a glove compartment or a search with papers. You don't know what the police are asking for. So my time you approach the police in that style. You understand me? The tension drop from 100 to 50. Then good enough about ask for nothing. them goodness go through. And then you come to a stop, you turn your engine off. You understand me? And so we have to try and deal with the police officers them now. Because them are unalive too much people. You hear me? Nobody no want to say this. Let me tell you something. These police, them out for push out who them want push out. Them not care anymore. And a lot of people come on here. Nervous psychology, reverse psychology. You understand me? We have to start present ourselves in our way. But we are prevent them take with life away because of this a Jamaica reach. You hear me? Police stop you, window down, car engine off, ignition out. Ignition out. Key out of ignition and put on your dashboard. Me can't go nowhere. Me can't drive and lick you down, officer. Me can't run off. If me got some weed in your car, me got in your charge me, lock me up. But don't kill me. If me not got no license, carry me down a station and by right, you're supposed to give me 7 or 14 days to produce you with a license. By law. You understand me? Be proactive.